Welcome, book lovers. Today we delve into the complex world of international relations with a review of Pakistan's Foreign Policy 1947 to 2009 by Abdul Sattar. Strap in, because this book is a riveting exploration of Pakistan's diplomatic journey from its inception to the modern era. Sattar's comprehensive analysis offers deep insights into the historical, geopolitical, and ideological factors that have shaped Pakistan's foreign policy. Reading this book felt like unraveling the intricate threads of Pakistan's diplomatic landscape. It's a must-read for anyone interested in understanding the country's place in the global arena. From the partition era to the Cold War, and from regional dynamics to global shifts, Sattar meticulously traces Pakistan's strategic choices, successes, and challenges. What sets this book apart is its balanced perspective. Sattar doesn't shy away from discussing Pakistan's triumphs and setbacks, offering a nuanced portrayal of its foreign relations. Abdul Sattar's masterful work is a tour de force that illuminates the evolution of Pakistan's foreign policy with clarity and depth. Anyone interested in international relations, South Asian politics, or just curious about Pakistan's place in the world. Whether you're a seasoned diplomat or a curious reader, this book is a treasure trove of knowledge. Don't miss out on this enlightening journey.